Hello and welcome to iTas-online, a digital portal to select and design products. In this video you will learn step by step how to sign up to iTas-online. First go to the homepage. Click on the button Start joining us today. You will now be sent to the registration page. You can only apply for registration if you have a valid Sime Darby Ols or Sime Darby Plantation email address. First enter your email address, then username and a valid password. Password must be at least 6 characters long. iTas will check if you have entered a valid email address, username and password. Now check your email from iTas-online. You need to click on the confirmation link to activate your account. You are now ready to log in and start working with iTas-online. Thank you for watching this video.